How to get Roblox voice chat back after being suspended.
Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
Go to any preferred web browser and there search for roblox.com/support, and here you will be redirected to the support page. Here you have to provide your first name, email address, confirm your email address, select the device that you are using, it's Android phone, type of help category, so you can select moderations, and after that you just have to write the description that you have not violated any community guidelines and ask the Roblox support team to remove the suspension of your voice chat from Roblox. After that, tap on continue and Roblox support team will help you to fix your problem and will remove your suspension from voice chat in Roblox.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.